Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on VITE In today's video, I would like to show you this very big falling wedge pattern, and now you can see that the movement of VITE is very squeezed inside this wedge to break out this falling wedge pattern very soon. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of Bitcoin. And this is a harmonic bullish reversal, a cipher pattern that Bitcoin has formed on the daily time frame chart. And I shared this pattern a few moments ago, a few minutes ago. And you can see that the price line is still moving inside this cipher pattern on the daily time frame chart with US dollar pair, and this pattern is still play. And before that, this was our last successful trade for wheat that I shared on 21st of January, few days back. And this pattern was formed with Bitcoin pair, and you can see when I shared this idea, it was moving inside this buying zone or potential reversal zone. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line moved very well to the upside. And this was, by the way, almost 43% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. I have just played this button, and within few moments you will be able to watch this move, that how the price line rallied to the upside from this potential reversal zone towards this sell target zone. And this is how it moved up from this buying zone to the sell target zone. And before that, I also shared another harmonic bullish reversal setup that was, by the way, back in the month of November 2022, at the end of 2022. And this pattern was formed with US dollar pair. You can see when I shared this idea, it was completing the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that this can be our buying range, and the price line can drop more down within this price range for the completion of this Garlet pattern on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, within next few moments, you will be able to watch this move, that how the price line moved down, completed this final leg, and then we had another very nice reversal move, and this is how you can see that the price line rallied up and rallied almost up to 75%. Now, let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that previously Bitcoin broke out the resistance of a very big ascending triangle back in the month of March 2021, and then we had a very big pump, by the way, from this low of January 2021 up till this high of the April 2021. It was more than 3,290%, very huge pump. And then the price line again stuck inside another pattern, and this time it is a falling wedge pattern. That is a bullish pass pattern, and you can see that the movement of wheat is quite squeezed now inside this falling wedge pattern. Therefore, we can expect that soon it can break out the resistance of this wedge. And here we also have our key support and very long-term support at 1.8 cents. Now, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, then on the daily time frame chart, Bitcoin has broken out the resistance of this up channel. Now, if we take a look at the target to the downside after this breakdown for this up channel, that is here at the bottom of the channel, that is approximately at $1.85 to $1.80, where we have this very long-term support. And if the price then moves there, then after testing this support, it can move up again to make another attempt to break out this big falling wedge pattern on this. Sorry, not this is not the weekly time frame chart. This is the monthly time frame chart. And now, if we switch back to this daily time frame chart, then here after the breakdown, let me show you on the 4-hour time frame chart. That move is more visible on the 4-hour time frame. Then we can see that even though the price line has broken down the support of this rising channel or this up channel, but if we take a look at the stochastic oscillator on this 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that the price line formed lower than previous low, and at the same time stochastic is forming higher low than previous low. So it is showing us the bullish divergence signal, and this is a sign of a reversal move. Therefore, there is a probability that the price line may start another reversal move from here, and it may re-enter the same channel that is broken down. And for example, if it re-enters the channel and breaks out this same channel, then the target to the upside after the breakout will be approximately at 3.8 cents. That will be very close to 4 cents, obviously. And if we can also see that the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern on this monthly time frame chart is approximately at 2.6 cents. And we can easily break out the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern if we break out this down up channel on the daily time frame chart. And once the price line will be able to break out this big falling wedge pattern on the monthly time frame chart, then our final target, as per this falling wedge pattern, will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 30 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.